last class we studied efficiency is always less than 100%. Then the question is, what could be the maximum efficiency, for which all processes in the cycle must be ideal processes. The cycle shall be called as an ideal cycle, and that is the Carnot cycle. Now, Carnot cycle shall be working to produce the power, that means a heat engine, where net amount of positive work is obtained. And to get the net amount of positive work, we require two thermal reservoirs, one for heat addition and other for heat rejection. A high temperature body called as source and the other one low temperature body, sink, temperature TL. And let us have a cylinder and piston arrangement. Everything is ideal. That means even the cylinder piston is ideal. What do we mean by cylinder and piston to be ideal? Number one, the arrangement has to be frictionless. What else? It should follow our instructions. If we say दिन है, yes, दिन है, हम कहेंगे रात है, रात है. Follow our instructions. And then the working substance is air, and air should also behave like an ideal gas. Ideal gas means it will follow the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to mRT or PV is equal to nRT. Simultaneously, we will be representing the processes on the diagram called as pressure volume diagram. Imagine initial condition is 1. This is the volume and let this be the pressure. This is condition. This source, the body of high temperature, is brought in contact with the end of cylinder and heat is supplied to this gas. source, any amount of heat taken from it, the temperature shall remain constant. Process has to be isothermal process. So 1 to 2 reversible isothermal process. How much is the heat transfer? Either isothermal process, what is the expression for heat transfer?
nRT log ln log V2 by
nRT log V2 upon V1. T is T1 or T2. Piston moves from this position to this position 2. So 1 to 2, higher temperature remaining constant, heat is supplied. Next, how do you ensure that this is heat supplied and not heat rejected? Because what we had written the expression as heat transfer.
there should be insulation.
What I am asking, what you are answering. In isothermal process, do we require insulation? No. The question is, how do you ensure that this is heat supplied? Now I have not asked to raise the hands. I am pinpointing that he is to explain.
The heat is supplied. Sign
Why
should be positive.
Huh?
Sign should be positive. If this expression is positive.
This is not the result. This is not the answer. Answer should be V2 is more than V1.
Then
This becomes more than 1. Log of it or more than 1 is positive. And positive sign indicates that heat is supplied, which is N or T1 log V2 upon V1. Now the piston is at condition 2, the source is removed. When gas was expanding, piston was moving from 1 to 2. Piston cylinder arrangement was working as good conducting material. At 2, when source is removed, now we give the instructions to the same cylinder and piston that now you should behave as a bad conductor of heat. Because from 2 onwards we are interested to carry out a process of expansion which should be reversible adiabatic expansion. from 2 to 3 Now the question is, I represented isothermal process like this, but adiabatic I am representing like this. Why so? पूछा आपसे? तुम तो ऐसे बोलो जैसे बाहर गेट पे रिक्शा वाले खड़े होते हैं, बोलते सब हैं कहाँ जाना है, तो बाद में कोई भी जाने को तैयार नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट, वर्क डन मैंने कहाँ पूछा? वर्क डन तो कहीं लिखा ही नहीं है. इसका मतलब आपको पता ही नहीं है क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है. पसीने आ गए थे पहले ही. गर्मी लग रही है. अभी ऐसे चल पाते हैं. 1 to 2 was represented like this, but 2 to 3 I am representing like this. Can you explain anything? Why?
dp by dv is equal to minus gamma p by v होगा ना, तो जो उसका स्लोप होगा सर उसमें गामा मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा सर.
We'll say slope of this line is gamma times the slope of this line. Right? Good. 2 to 3 it is adiabatic expansion. What should be the expression for heat transfer? Heat transfer is 0. Very good. Q 2 3 is 0. It was acting as a bad conductor of heat, so that no heat transfer could occur. When the piston is at 3, the entire cylinder is full of air. Now sink, the low temperature body, is brought in contact with the end of cylinder. What type of process shall occur? थ्री टू अब 2 नहीं जाएगा, 3 के बाद 4 आएगा. इसलिए मैंने 4 रिप्रेजेंट नहीं किया. What type of process shall be from 3 to 4? Again listen. Now the low temperature body is brought in contact with the end of cylinder. What type of process should it be? What type of process it should be? देखिए, जो मैं बोलता जाऊं, लिखता जाऊं, आप नोट करते रहो. ये चीजें सब पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. पहली बार तो पढ़ नहीं रहे. इंटरव्यू में कुछ चीजें वो पूछी जाती हैं जो पहले सुनी नहीं होती, देखी नहीं होती, तो सोचना पड़ता है. तो जो चीजें की हुई हैं, क्या हम उनके बारे में सोच पा रहे हैं? नहीं. If I don't discuss, I can finish the cycle in 15 minutes, but I'll take 1 hour. When sink, the body of low temperature is brought, that means heat will be rejected. Sink is used for heat rejection. So process 3 to 4, reversible isothermal process where heat will be rejected. How should we represent the process on PV diagram? स्लोप तो सारा ही नेगेटिव है. The answer is to be when heat is rejected, air will shrink, the volume will decrease. From here, volume has to decrease with similar type of the slope. So from 3 4. Now TL is to remain constant. अब माइंड में एक कॉन्सेप्ट बनाएंगे. When heat is supplied, volume will increase. गर्मी होती है ना, बाहर का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है, बॉडी का टेम्परेचर कम होता है, हीट इज सप्लाइड, आदमी चौड़ा होकर बैठता है, वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाता है. एंड व्हेन हीट इज रिजेक्टेड, सर्दी लगती है, सिकुड़ जाते हैं, वॉल्यूम विल डिक्रीज. व्हाट इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर हीट ट्रांसफर? nRT log, कोई नहीं बोलेगा, V3 by V4. पहले बोलिए T क्या है? 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, क्या चीज़ है? इट इज 3 स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे होता है. पहले क्या लिखा था? nRT1 स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पर. अब क्या लिखेंगे? T3. अब देखो आप कितनी मूर्खता कर रहे हो. इधर क्या लिखा था? फाइनल वॉल्यूम अपॉन इनिशियल वॉल्यूम. 3 to 4 में फाइनल क्या है? अब क्या लिखेंगे हम? V4 is less than V3. This will become less than 1. Log of a term less than 1 is negative. So this shall become negative. And negative sign indicates that heat is rejected. Okay. Now if I write heat rejected is equal to, now what should I write? This expression was for heat transfer. We never knew whether heat will be supplied or rejected. Our method of writing was N or T, initial temperature or final temperature, because temperature remains constant. And then we write log of final upon initial. Then when we analyzed it, it came out to be negative. Now if I write heat rejected, now what should I write? N or T3 log V3 upon V4. क्योंकि heat rejected तो हमने लिख ही दिया, that means it is understood that it will be negative. And now we have to write the magnitude part only. When process was 3 to 4, temperature was remaining constant, heat transfer was taking place, material cylinder piston was acting as good conductor of heat. Now at 4, sink is removed, piston will move from 4 to 1, and we want now process of adiabatic compression. This will mean bad conductor of heat, no heat exchange to occur. And lastly, 4 to 1 reversible adiabatic compression. And Q for 1 equal to very good. ये चीज़ें सिर्फ इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ टू चेकअप योर प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड. साथ में कुछ सोच भी रहे हो या खाली लिख रहे हो? So this way, reach back to initial condition 1, a thermodynamic cycle is completed. Up to this point, any clarification required? All okay. Net work done, heat supplied minus heat rejected, that is QH minus QL. This heat supplied QH and this heat rejected QL. And efficiency of the cycle called as Carnot efficiency, the ratio of net work done and heat supplied, which is QH minus QL upon QH, which is 1 minus QL upon QH. One minus QL N or T3 log V3 upon V4, N or T1 log V2 upon V1. N R gets cancelled. T1 and T2 are equal isothermal process named as TH. T3 and T4 are equal, called as TL. Now we are left with the expression with temperatures and volumes. We have to simplify using the relationships between temperature and volume for different processes. Let us start with process 1 to 2. Next, process 1 to 2, what is the relationship between temperature and volume? मैंने प्रोसेस का नाम नहीं पूछा, मैंने पूछा रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द प्रॉपर्टीज। जब प्रोसेस पढ़े थे, एवरी प्रोसेस द फर्स्ट आइटम यूज्ड टू बी पीवीटी रिलेशनशिप। प्रेशर इज नॉट हियर। बोलिए। नेक्स्ट, next, whatever may be the volume, temperature remains constant, and hence there is no relationship between temperature and volume. Simply relationship is T remains constant. Next, 2 to 3. ये लिखा हुआ है। मैंने क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टेम्परेचर एंड वॉल्यूम, इसकी बात हो रही है, और आप पीवी रेस पर गामा पे अटके पड़े हो। TV power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. That means T2 V2 is T3 V3 gamma minus 1. So T2 upon T3 is V3 upon V2 power gamma minus 1. T2 we are naming as TH, T3 we are naming as TL. Next process 3 to 4, there is no relationship, temperature remains constant. 4 to 1, adiabatic, TV power gamma minus 1 is constant. Initially condition 4, finally condition is 1. So T1 upon T4 is V4 upon V1 power gamma minus 1. And T1 happens to be TH and T4 is TL. This is 4, this is 1. Process is 3 to 4 में तो कुछ भी नहीं था ना. 3 to 4 I had stated independent of volume. From this relation and this relation, both are corresponding to TH upon TL. When right hand side is same, left hand side should also be same. That means V3 upon V2 power gamma minus 1 should also be equal to V4 upon V1 power gamma minus 1. When powers are same, bases should be same. That means V3 upon V2 should be V4 upon V1. Or V3 upon V4 should be equal to V2 upon V1. That means their log values should also be same. So log V3 by V4 should be same as log V2 by V1. And we are left with 1 minus T3 is TL, T1 is TH. Thus, the efficiency of the Carnot cycle is given by 1 minus TL upon TH. In the final expression, Cp, Cv or R, any of the terms do not exist. Cp, Cv, R, etc., they are the properties. That means this expression is independent of the properties of the working substance. It depends only upon the two temperatures at which heat is supplied or heat is rejected. That means efficiency of the Carnot cycle is a function of TL and TH only. And we wanted the efficiency to be maximum, to be optimum. That means this part should be as minimum as possible, so that 1 minus minimum shall become maximum. And this will mean TL should be on the lower side, so that efficiency will be maximum, or TH should be on the higher side. When TH is higher, this will become smaller, and 1 minus smaller will become higher. An option is given to us. Either you can decrease this temperature or you can increase this temperature. Both the things you cannot do simultaneously. Which one do you prefer? Decreasing the lower temperature or increasing the higher temperature? And those who can think should raise the hands. Supposing option is given to you, by 10 degrees you can decrease TL, efficiency will increase, or you increase TH by 10 degrees, still the efficiency will increase. In which case it is better. That means increase in efficiency shall be more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,